mga nanak, we're back. And it's our last full day here in Taipei, Taiwan. So what happened is, nag-check out na kami kanina kasi until 11 a.m. lang yung check out sa aming hostel. Then yung flight namin mamaya is around 9 p.m. pa in the evening. So we still have one full day left to explore Taipei, Taiwan. So what will happen for this for today is magsha-shopping lang tayo. Parted ways. So sila is pumunta sila ng Siminding. Then ako is meron akong titingnan sa may Taipei 101 doon sa may Shangshan. So bibisitahan ko yung Apple Store. Baka meron tayong mabili doon. Guys, yung aming hotel pala is meron siyang park in front. They call this Peace Park. Then ayun na yung hostel namin. Then from here, you can walk going to the NTU Hospital Station. So, very accessible talaga siya when it comes to transportation. The downside lang of our hostel or hotel is it doesn't have an elevator. May elevator sila pero very slow moving. Tsaka meron tayo makaka-trust issues yung station nila, yung elevator nila. So, it's not really good for elderly tsaka with person with reduced mobility. Ayan guys, so since nasa NT Hospital ang station natin, we still have 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 stations going to Shangshan. Kasi nasa Shangshan yung titingnan natin ng mga products sa Apple. Basta tayo sa Shangshan Exit 1. So right now, we'll just walk. Yung pinuntahan natin sa first day natin sa Maichiran area, nandoon banda yung Apple Store. So we'll check his page, ano pa tayo mga new products. And of course, I will be also visiting the DJI store. Kasi may bibilin ako ng accessories. Sana mahanap ko yung DJI store at saka mayroon ang item is available. Ayan na guys. Meters away lang siya, mga 300 meters. So andyan na yung Apple Center. My God, so bibisita tayo dyan, tingin tayo kung ano mga mabibili natin. Oh my gosh. Fortunately, close pa siya guys at 10:45. So yung mga stores dito sa Taipei, Taiwan, usually nag-o-open sila ng 11 a.m. Guys, may bentahan na dito ng Tesla. Oh my gosh. So this is a Shinko Mitsubishi department store. So parang andito yata sa loob yung DJI store. I do not know if open na ba siya. Yan, tingnan nyo yung spot ng dito guys. Oh, Taipei 101, maganda din. Ayun, yung DJI guys is andito na. Oh my gosh. Nasa loob lang siya ng store ng isang mall here sa Taipei. Ayan, oh. So andito na yung mga DJIs ng mga products. Oh my gosh. Look at the drones here. Look at that guys. Oh my God. The DJI Mavic Classic is 4,190. Oh my gosh. May Pocket 3. There's a Pocket 3 already. Pocket 3 here is 21,990. That is around 38,000 to 39,000 pesos. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Meron na din silang DJI Avatar here. Oh my God. Yung Action 4 nila dito, it will cost you 14,890. And Action 3 is 9,000. Medyo mahal yung Action 4 nila dito guys. Naka-order ako nito last week. I-deliver siya last Monday. So hindi ko pa siya na-check yung item kasi nasa bahay pa. So, since meron na tayong Action 4 na deliver sa bahay last Monday, so bibili tayo ng extra battery. The extra battery will cost you $690 lang siya guys. Mura lang siya, nasa around 1,100 to 200 for an extra spare of battery. Tapos na tayo guys sa DJI. So ngayon is pupuntahan na natin yung Apple Center, yung Apple Store. Dito may New Balance pala sa guys, sa harap ng mall. So yung area ng Taipei 101 dito or World Trade Center, maraming mga stores and shops, no, kung saan pwede kang bumili. That's the mother of all. It's the mother of the ecosystem. Ibisitahin natin siya. Look at the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Wala mga presyo guys. So, ibig sabihin ito mahal. Walang mga presyo. May 15 Pro Max din dito. This is the new iPad, I think. Hindi ko maintindihan guys. Diyos ko Lord. Hindi ko maintindihan. Watch, this is for the watch pala. Hindi ako mahilig sa watch eh. Dito guys, may mga iPad na. iPad Pro. Ano kaya itong case? Yung iPad Pro is 34,990 NTD. They have iPad mini guys, that is 16,900. So yung 16,900 na sa mga 28 to 27,000. Shocks lang. Of course, they have the iPad 10, which is 11,900. Guys, nakalabas na tayo sa Apple Center. In other words, wala tayong nabili. Kasi wala yung hinahanap natin na item. So medyo tired tayo sa paglakad guys. So I am here at the Starbucks. So nag-inom muna tayo ng kape bago tayo mag-continue sa ating walking city tour here in Taipei, Taiwan. Mayroon tayong in-order tayo ng isang tapos dito grande ba ito na size. Yan. And then we also have a piece of cake here. This cost me total 295 NTD. Sa mga 360 I think pesos. No? So tapos na tayo nag-Starbucks guys. So after here is pupunta tayo ng Ximending. So hahanapin ko muna yung station ng Taipei since malapit naman tayo sa Taipei 101. We are now back here at Taipei 101. South exit pala tayo. May makita kayo na ganyan signage guys. Yan. Ibig sabihin, merong metro or subway sa ilalim. Diyan tayo bababa. No, dito siya. Yan. Bababa tayo dito kasi dito tayo sasakay ng train papuntang Ximending. Since medyo malayo pa konti ang Ximending from. Look at the Din Tai Fung guys. Ito yung sikat na kainan yata na may mga may Xiaolong Bao din. Ang daming tao. Last try ko ng Din Tai Fung is Malaysia pa. Angkay Shack na po tayo guys. Then we need to transfer for another line going to Ximin. Guys, nasa Ximending area na tayo. So we will be exiting 1, may Red House. Kasi yung next stop natin is yung Donke. Yan na, yung exit 1, the Red House. So may konting lakaran ng stairs. And guys, we are now already at the Ximending area. So paglabas mo sa exit 1, may second street na. And then nandoon yung rainbow na pedestrian. Then of course the H&M trademark, no? So hanapin natin yung Donke since doon ang ating first stop. Po ating pupuntahan. Pero prior to that is pasok muna tayo sa Second Street. Second Street is known for para bang ukay sa atin. Para mga branded ang mga stock, mga benta dito. Ito yung pricing ng kanilang mga shoes guys. Look at this one. It's 9,600. Oh my gosh. Almost 18, 20. This one, 14,000. It's a Burberry shoes. Ako, original talaga to guys. Though second hand siya, pero mga original. Pero pag tingnan mo guys, 20,000. Ito Louis. It's a Louis Vuitton. It's a Louis Vuitton na shoes. Original siya guys, 20,000. That is mga 38,000 pesos. Oh my gosh. Parang ayokong hawakan. However, may mga cheap naman dito. So ayan, tapos na tayo sa Second Street guys. Wala tayong nabili kasi walang magkasya. Though marami silang mga mga stocks ng shoes. So right now is we will proceed to the Donke. Sa Google Map lang yung labanan natin guys. Guys, yan yung tinatawag nila na the Red House. Kasi yan sa mga pinaka-oldest na mga buildings dito sa Ximending. Sa Taipei. So hindi na yan nila ginalaw at preserve nilang ang building na yan. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako So na Google Map lang tayo guys para sa ating next stop which is the Donke. I find it very reliable yung ano guys, yung Google Map. Ngayon ko na siya na-discover. No? Kasi sa travel natin previous years, lagi ako nagre-rely sa map ng subway station. Later ko lang na-find out na yung Google Map is one of the most reliable app pag travel ka. So you need to download Google Map pag mag-travel ka, especially if DIY. Wala guys, yung Don Quixote, ayan. Don Quixote. Papasok tayo dyan. Tingnan natin kung anong mabibili natin dyan sa store na yan. Donke. 24 hours open pala siya. Guys, ito na yung mga food. Oh, ang mumura. Tagto $30 lang siya. Oo. To $30. Saan ba ito kukuha ng ano? Basket. May mga matcha, oh. May mga... Mura lang talaga dito, guys. Sa ano. Pretzel, oh. Magkano ba itong pretzel? My gosh, meron pa ba tayong baggage? May mga noodles din, guys, oh. My gosh, yogurt. Entrance. Kakatawa pagpasok. May Tagalog version talaga siya. Ito. Bili tayo nito kasi nagpapabili sila manchona. Ayan guys, tapos na tayong namili sa Donke. Ayan. So, yung nabili ko sa Donke is worth $2,200. So, na siya mga ano siya, 3,000 or 4,000 pesos. My gosh! Ang dami na naman natin nagastos for the pasalubong. Good thing here in Taiwan, one good thing here in Taiwan guys, just like in the other countries, meron silang tax refund. So if the item that you shop is more than 2,000 NTD, if you na-shop yung item is more than 2,000 NTD, meron kayong 4% na tax refund. So kanina ito, nabili ko is 2,196. So may tax refund ako na $86. $86, that is nasa ano na yata yan, 160 to 150 pesos. Look at this, may ABC Mart. Nagdurugo yung kanilang sale. So papasok tayo if may mabibili tayo ng mga items or shoes. 1,700 lang yung Crocs guys, oh. Yung mga Crocs dito, 1,700 lang siya. Guys, we're out at the ABC Mart. Of course, pag papasok talaga tayo, meron talaga tayong mabubudol. Oh, yung shoes na nabili ko, nag-sale sila from, basta yung nabili ko is 1,000 na lang siya. Taiwanese dollar. So after here is, I think, babalik na tayo ng hotel. Kasi naghihintay na yung mga kasamahan natin. Since it's a little bit late afternoon, so I decided to eat na lang here in the Siminding. So may nakita ako dito na restaurant na nagbibenta ng xiaolong bao. So I ordered a rice meal and a xiaolong bao for my lunch today. For my lunch here. This will be my last meal here in Taipei. Guys, yan yung mga xiaolong bao. Yan yung mga ito yung dish na specialty ng Taiwan. Taiwan will not be Taiwan without tasting the xiaolong bao. Ayan, let's eat guys. Guys, before heading home, pabalik sa hotel, tikim tayo last time sa kanilang Shinfutang na milk tea. 80 NTD lang siya guys. Good guys. Good na dragon. Pero roast na lang. Perfect. That is how they made the boba pearls here in Shinfutang. They have the best boba pearls I tasted ever. So we're checking out na already guys. So instead na mag-airport railroad kami, kasi marami kaming luggage, so we decided to rent a van na lang going to Taoyuan Airport. So nakuha namin is 900 NTD per van. Ayan. Spacious naman yung van. Taipei Taoyuan Terminal 1 at the departure hall. And so we're done checking already. Checking in. Tapos nakapag-clear din kami sa immigration. So wala nang sticker dito sa Taoyuan guys. So electronic na lahat. E-gates na siya. So right now is we are heading to the boarding gate. Ganda ng area going sa boarding gates guys. Lahat ng mga branded ng mga products nandito na. Calvin Klein, MCM. This is the boarding gate guys. Sa Taoyuan. Maganda. And we are now boarding guys to Manila. Bye Taipei. We have just landed in Manila International Airport. It's already 12:30 in the morning. And we will be getting our luggage here guys. Tsaka namin siya ita-transfer into another saka namin siya ita-transfer domestically. Dito na guys yung transfer terminal. Then may sariling terminal passengers na transfer ang Philippine Airlines. So dito sila doon. So nauna na yung kasamahan natin kasi maliit lang yung van for transfer sa PAL. We have arrived at Terminal 2. In fairness sa Terminal 2, they are more modern compared to Terminal 1. Paka-old din ang structure ng Terminal 1. We are now boarding. Ganda ng sunrise guys. No? Our flight is 6 in the morning. So we will be witnessing a good sunrise this time. One last leg of flight and this will be the end of our Taiwan trip. Mama! Usap pa ta?
Yes.
Usap pa ta? Definitely. Usap pa gihapon ta. Hey guys, we have landed Davao sa Davao tayo. So we're now be heading home.